If you've got a 25 and up Ram 1500 with the Hurricane inline 6-cylinder and you're on the fence about what exhaust or catback to put on your truck, given that there's a whole bunch of different options out there, you're going to want to check out this video where we're going to go through and show very quickly 3 different exhaust systems from Flowmaster, one being the American Thunder muffler replacement, and then the Signatuire series, which is a full catback, and then their Outlaw series, another full catback. So we'll do those side-by-side comparisons inside the truck, outside the truck, driving, for you to get an idea of which sound you like the best. I also did 3 separate full installation videos with full sound and driving impressions, my full review for each of these systems, and I'll put the link for those down below in the description. Feel free to check those videos out too. Seems like it revs faster, which doesn't make any sense. I mean, I guess it could make sense. I don't know. All we changed really is just the muffler, right? Definitely hear it's a bit louder. Ooh, man. Oh, wow. Throttle response feels like even better than the American Thunder, and that felt like it was an increase over stock. You hear that turbos. That sounds good. No complaints from me. no problem blowing the tires off with 35s.